Voice-activated technology once seemed futuristic. Now it's becoming part of daily life with more applications emerging. VoiceXP is a St. Louis company creating custom voice experiences they claim is both personal and simple, as if talking to a friend. And it has the potential to change how businesses communicate with customers and employees. HEC TV's Michael Daniels has the story.
HEC-TV is the station for all your cultural, education and arts information and entertainment.
Thanks, Alexa. Amazon Alexa is one of the many new voice user interfaces popping up. VoiceXP claims to be the largest and only software developer in the Midwest creating the software for customized conversations on these devices. These conversations provide real-time information on just about anything. Alexa, Google Home, and Microsoft's Cortana are some of the most popular voice user interfaces on the market. Bob Stolzberg, founder of VoiceXP, tells us why this technology is catching on.
I mean, it's really simple. Your voice is just a more natural user interface. It's easier to ask to do something and get information than it is to type on a keyboard and look at a screen.
The conversations are created by VoiceXP using their innovative technology to design skills or software similar to an app on your cell phone. These skills enable platforms like Alexa to engage in conversation. This design is done using a system of scripts, computer coding, and automation, all while remaining secure on a cloud-based system.
Everybody that's getting into this technology needs a conversation designer because they don't have the experience to know how do I ask the right questions or statements, how do I write an engaging conversation, and that's the key.
VoiceXP is supplying the software to businesses like St. Louis's own Cantor Injury Law and CenturyLink. They say this technology can help brands and companies in many ways, including customer relations. The goal is for the user to have a simple but effective and engaging conversation, like this.
Alexa, why did I get this device from CenturyLink?
You seemed a little lonely, so they wanted to send you a new friend, me. Also, CenturyLink Business has best-in-class connectivity, an industry-leading cloud, and an uncompromising commitment to the success of businesses like yours, and they thought you'd like to know about it. If you think CenturyLink is just a telco, I'm about to blow your mind.
These businesses use this technology for marketing and engaging customers, training employees, sales presentations, and even in the boardroom. Stolzberg says the future of voice technology will be as big as the dot-com boom when the internet began. And reports say nearly 36 million Americans this year will use a voice-activated platform at least once a month, up from nearly 16 million in 2016. They are forecasting that platforms like Alexa will be in 55% of homes by 2022 and could lead to $10 billion in revenues by 2020. Industry analysts say the revenue will come from advertising, and like the skill sets VoiceXP is creating, will have to be mixed with information about the brands, as they don't expect many users to do product searches.
This is the technology that will disrupt humankind more than anything else we've had in our lifetimes, because it's just easier to ask for something than it is to type and look, and there will be a fundamental need for lots of people to program these devices to enable people to get the information through a voice user interface.
Stolzberg says that with this tech boom, thousands of jobs will need to be filled, many of them in computer coding. At University of Missouri St. Louis, folks are doing just that, training in software coding. What makes this classroom special, though, is these students are United States military veterans and their families.
And now, VoiceXP is working with Coder Vets, an organization training veterans in computer coding. VoiceXP will be hiring some of these veterans once their work in the classroom is finished.
Well, the idea was, it's something close to my heart. This is a heart mission for me. I'm a vet, I'm a coder. I've made my livelihood in the tech industry and as a software developer and engineer for about 13 years now. Currently a solution architect with Slalom Consulting, a tech firm here, consulting firm here in town, in Clayton. And this is just a way for me to kind of take all these natural domains that I've been blessed by and give back to the community.
There are 41 students enrolled in the 20-week course, and VoiceXP has agreed to hire up to 5 of them, along with other tech companies who are looking for new talent.
And we're a big believer in giving back. These veterans, their families have sacrificed so much. They're coming home, they're hungry for opportunity, they deserve it. And it's really rewarding to support St. Louis community and training people here, but more importantly, training veterans, their spouses, their children to enable them to join this new digital workforce.
Army veteran and Coder Vet student Miguel Delgado says this partnership between Coder Vets and software companies like VoiceXP is so important.
Veterans coming back are having an extremely difficult time, not only finding jobs, but just being able to apply their skill set. So if they can get an opportunity like this from an organization that's willing to sit down and dedicate the time and work with other companies to give us a second look to show how we can impact the economy, how we can help out their businesses, then it's just a win-win for everyone.
Even for Alexa, who is giving Amazon a winning edge in this rapidly growing industry. For Innovations, I'm Michael Daniels.